Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the Wolfteeth 36 plus 5 LED light. So guys, this is it. Now right away it will take 3 AA batteries, so right in there. So this has magnets on the side here, so you can stick it. Let's see here. So it does, it's not strong enough, that pole, but it does stick on metal. You can also adjust it, so if you want to have it up, you can have it up, however you want. You guys can have it like that, so it can be moved. There is a hook as well for hanging, so it can hang. You got a light on the side here, a light on the front. The hook can rotate 360 degrees around. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So just 2 modes. Let's show you guys in the dark. Alright guys, so now we're going to get an idea how bright it is. So it's pretty bright, but it's pretty bright. That's the front facing light. So you got the side. So you guys can kind of see it. It does open, turn, brighten things up a little bit through here, even if we're shining it the opposite direction. So even though we're shining it over there, it still opens up, gives brightness. So nice little work light. It's still bright and still will get the job done if you're camping, if you're hunting, if you're fishing, if you're just out working on a vehicle, whatever you're doing, something in the dark, should get the job done.